My mission helps me wake up really happy every morning and excited that I get to serve women with their money mindset. And what is your mission? Why are you here today? Why did you choose this master class? Why do you want to make more money? And you can start now to write. This is the first exercise that you can start writing in your journal, because once you uncover your mission, and even though you did this exercise in the past, it's recommended to do it as often as possible, but because at every new level our desires change. So I invite you now to take your journal and write there, why do you want to overcome this current financial plateau you're in? You want to make more money for what? To help the people around you, to have financial freedom, to travel the whole world, to create generational wealth for your family, or to buy things for you. For example, I love to buy jewelry, like it's my favorite thing. I have boxes of jewelry all over my house. It's like my sweet spot. As you can see, I also have like some of them there because I have them everywhere. It makes me feel like a queen. So I'm not buying the jewelry, I'm buying the feeling. So I invite you now to connect. It can be a selfish reason, like buying the jewelry and buying a new car, a new convertible car, or it can be a selfless reason. You want to buy a home for your parents, or you want to donate in charity. So press pause on this video and just connect with your why and with your vision on a really detailed level.